Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Samsung Tab A11. So first, what we want to do is we want to toggle Bluetooth off and on in these settings. So open up the settings app and you will need to go into the connections. But as you guys can see, we're already here after we turn on the app. So now let's click on Bluetooth, and as you guys can see, it's enabled. So we need to disable it and we need to re-enable it after 5 seconds. So we should do it now. As you guys can see, now we turned it on and everything should be okay. But if you still can't connect to your device, maybe try Unpaired and repairing it in the settings right here. So you just choose a device, and after you do that, you will just need to unpair it, and that's basically what you guys can do. After you repair it and there's still some issues, what you guys can do is make sure that there's no device interference between them. So the headphones are not connecting to other device and they can only connect to this one. So if you've paired them with your phone and a tablet, for an example, then maybe they're connecting to the phone instead of the tablet. So that might also cause the issues. Try unpairing the device on every single device. Now, if there's still some issues, what you guys can do is restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. So the Bluetooth device restart may vary on the device you have, so you need to figure it out on your own how to restart it or how to turn it off and on. Now, what you guys can do with the tablet is hold the power button only and now click restart and tap again to restart the tablet. Now I'll see you guys after the tablet fully restarts. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software or check for updates. So now our tablet is starting from a restart, and now we need to open up the settings app. So we're gonna wait a second. Now open up the settings app, and in the settings app we need to scroll all the way down until we see the software update. Now click on it, click on download and install, and it should automatically check for updates. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the software. My One UI version is 7.0 and my Android version is 15. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important because it can fix a lot of crucial fixes or bugs, which is, for an example, Bluetooth not connecting, which is the bug that we're going to talk about here, and everything else, like, for an example, battery drains, Wi-Fi not working, speakers not working, and even more. So that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it wasn't, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.